This is the roots of the plant, the roots of the plant, and then you can eat the leaf. Mainly Chinese and the Hawaiian people eat the stem, but us Samoa we mainly just eat the leaves. So put it with coconut cream and eat the taro. You know so it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's really good for your stomach. You know how the people using Metamucil in Australia to make, when they go to, they come out solid. Taro is best for that. You don't have to drink that Metamucil because Metamucil is full of sugar. Just they put sweetness in it so they make you want to drink it. But naturally, have a taro. You can have this, or you can boil it and then boil the water out and put the coconut cream in it with onion and a bit of salt. Yum yum. Just like how you cooking potato. Exactly the same. But the taro just take a little bit longer. Okay guys, my advice to you when you finish the oven with the taro still hot, to keep it moisture inside and crunchy on the skin. There you go. Just dip it in the cold water. Just a natural, where you go? Natural water out of the tap. Somehow my video going dark. And that's it. And just dip it in the cold water. That's a cold water out of the tap. And that's it. Here's our taro. And when you break into that, when you're ready, it's going to be beautiful. Then I'm going to break into this one. Look at that. And then look at the steam out of it. Oh. And already I want a corned beef and what do you call it? Taro leaves go with. And raw fish. I can go on. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and I can share some more recipe with you. Cheers guys, and thank you for watching and enjoy your weekend. God bless. And can I see it stop?